Hi there, this is Jen. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I am making a 6x6 card using products from the Hedgehog Hollow February subscription box. This is an awesome box this month. It is a pet themed box. And here are the items that come in this box. So there's all this ephemera, which is a new thing for the subscription box. And they are super cute characters, dogs and cats, and there's even a bird. But these pieces are big enough so that if you are a scrapbooker, they would work perfectly for a scrapbook, but they do also fit on a standard size card. And then there are 12 sheets of the double-sided pattern paper, black and white with paw prints. And I believe you can foil this. Most of the paper is foilable, so I'm sure you can foil that. And then there are 3 stencils, dog prints, cat prints, and then a heart. And then this Teflon bone folder, which is super awesome. I am so excited that that was included this month, and that is from Maker Forte. So for my card, as I mentioned, I'm doing a 6x6 card. I happened to get some different size envelopes when I was at Tuesday morning a couple weeks ago in a kit or something like that, and luckily I kept them, and so I just grabbed that 6x6 card base, and that's what I will be using. So I took the heart stencil and I am just blending some distress inks in candied apple, I believe, and red brick or fired brick using my blending tool, and then ground espresso is what I ink up the little paw print there. And then once I have that inked up on the pattern paper, I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and fussy cut that piece out. And then this is just going to layer on top of the other piece of pattern paper that I have chosen to use. And then I'm going to use this super adorable little doggy with the hat covering his eyes. I'm going to use that piece of ephemera on my card. And then I'm using the love sentiment. And so I'm going to stamp that up on a piece of vellum. So I've prepped my vellum with my embossing bag and inked that up in Subversifying Black. And then I used what I thought was clear embossing powder, but it was actually not. I don't know if you've ever done this, but that container, I don't know why it's on my desk because I accidentally mixed clear embossing powder with white, so it comes out kind of speckled looking, and I meant to use the clear. So I think it looks fine. I think it goes great with the black and white theme of the card, and so I just went ahead and left that. I also stamped up one of the paw prints with the heart in the middle of the paw, and I stamped that up in Fallen Leaves from the Versifying Clair ink line, and then I fussy cut that out. And then I'm going to start assembling the card. And so I have taken the 6x6 piece of pattern paper that I am using, and I have added my adhesive to that, and then I will add that to that 6x6 card base. There was a tiny bit of overhang, and so I'm just going to take my paper trimmer and trim that little piece off. And then I'm going to take that love piece and use my my adhesive again and adhere that piece flat to the card. And this kit, and what I love about the Hedgehog Hollow kits is they're all so different. You just never know what the kit is going to be, and that is what I love about it. There's different products, just like this month, the bone folder, which I can't tell you how excited I am about that. So if you've never purchased a Hedgehog Hollow kit, I would go ahead and just check out their website, and then Alex usually does a reveal of the next kit on the 15th or around there every month for the following month's kit. And I hear that the next month's kit for March is going to be something spectacular. So you might want to head on over there or go to the Hedgehog Hollow YouTube channel, because that's where she posts those reveals. But that will finish my card off. I added a little bit of embellishment and some black splatter, and that finishes my card. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it or find it informative, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope to see you next time.